Hi there, welcome to Microscopic Dentistry Simplified, a comprehensive online course that teaches you everything you need to know to get started with microscopes in your dental practice in the shortest amount of time possible. If we haven't met before, my name is Siju Jacob. I've been a private practitioner in Dubai and Bangalore for more than 25 years. I've been using a surgical microscope in my own private practice for more than 20 years, and I've been training dentists how to use the surgical microscope in everyday clinical practice for more than a decade. Microscopes aren't something new. They've been around for more than 50 years, but despite being around for more than 50 years, most dentists don't see it as something that they can easily implement in their own private practice. There are many reasons for this, but I think the most important reason is the fact that unless you have someone to mentor you or literally handhold you in the initial stages, it becomes very difficult for someone to incorporate the microscope in everyday clinical practice, because this microscope is this huge device and you can't just randomly bring it into your operatory and hope that your workflow doesn't get affected. Because remember, we dentists are creatures of habit, and once we get used to a certain way of working, when you bring this huge device into your operatory, unless you know how to incorporate it and you are aware of how to use it for everyday clinical procedures, it becomes extremely difficult to use this tool in everyday clinical practice. And that's why a lot of people struggle. I know this from my own personal experience because I started my microscopic journey way back in 2004, more than 20 years ago. And when I bought the microscope, I didn't have anyone at that point in time to mentor me or guide me as to what to do in my initial stages. So it took me a very long time, almost 10 years, to figure out how to use this microscope efficiently, ergonomically in clinical practice. Now, it is this wealth of experience gained over the past 20 years and 10 years of teaching students that I wish to share with you in this online course called Microscopic Dentistry Simplified. I'll teach you everything you need to know to get started, starting from the very basics of what a microscope is, what changes you need to make in your operatory to get started with microscope, how to position the patient, and then we move on to individual procedures like how do you do a clinical examination, how to do a simple procedure like oral prophylaxis, how to do restorative procedures, how to do a crown prep, how to do clinical endodontics, and so on. I will literally handhold you through all the possible clinical scenarios that you are bound to encounter in everyday clinical practice. Whether you're a complete beginner who has absolutely no clue what a microscope is, or if you're someone who already has purchased a microscope, bought it into your operatory, but still haven't figured out how to maximize the usage of this particular device, this course will help you. The access to the content is for lifetime. So once you buy it, you can learn at your own pace. You can watch it on your mobile, on your laptop, whenever you want, wherever you want. So the accessibility is completely seamless. And to make it even easier for you, I have included a 100% refund policy. If you buy the course, go through the contents, and for some reason you aren't happy with what you see on the inside, then all you need to do is send me an email stating why you don't like the course, and I'll be happy to give you a complete 100% refund, no questions asked. So I've made it an absolute no-brainer for you. All you need to do is click on that link below, and I'll see you on the inside, and I look forward to seeing you shine in your microscopic journey. See you inside the online course, Microscopic Dentistry Simplified.